Hello there, let's take a brief look now at the weather for the week ahead. So with the approaching weather fronts, then it's a very pretty start to the day for many of us on Sunday morning. And red skies, lots of them, blustery showers out towards the west, longer spells of rain at times. But further east, a much drier story, just with a lot more cloud around than earlier on through the weekend. And it does remain very mixed forecast-wise as we head through the coming week. Sunny spells, lots of dry weather, but some showers, longer spells of rain, an ex-hurricane through the middle part of the week, or the remnants of it, and then it all turns colder into the weekend. But the reason why it's so unsettled at the moment is because low pressure is out towards the west of Ireland. Lots of showers spiralling around that, and some brisk southerly winds too, dragging in some very mild feeling air. So we're starting off the day on Monday on a mild note for this time of year, temperatures in double figures. Where we see the clear skies through the night, some of our temperatures could drop back perhaps into high single figures. But it's a day of sunshine and showers on Monday, and it will feel sunnier for the vast majority of us than on Sunday too. These showers tracking northwards and eastwards, plenty of those, cloudier with longer spells of rain across the far north of Scotland, and some heavy thundery showers pushing into southwest England and South Wales through the afternoon. But temperatures in the best of the sunshine could get as high as 16 to 19 degrees, which is above the seasonal average. As we head through Tuesday, low pressure remains very much in charge. It's slowly sinking its way a little further southwards. So the focus for the heaviest, most frequent of the showers will this time be across the southern half of the UK, probably with fresh southerly to southwesterly winds, particularly across the far southwest, but also showers, longer spells of rain moving northwards into parts of Scotland. Could be some showers almost anywhere, again in the best of the bright and sunny spells, and there will be some. We'll see temperatures peak above average, 16 to 18 degrees, but then it's all changed through the middle of the week again for many of us. We look out towards the Atlantic to see our midweek weather. This is Hurricane Kirk. It's been intensifying and it's going to be tracking its way in a northeasterly direction towards Europe. So let's take a look at the latest forecast track. This needs watching because it has been changing recently. Currently, the worst of the weather will probably go over northern France and into the Low Countries. Strong gusty winds and some very heavy rain. But it's as it pulls away from our shores that we could start to draw down a very brisk wind towards North Sea facing coast, gusting perhaps as high as 50 to 60 miles an hour. And then we draw down a northerly wind, so it's all going to be turning colder. But this is Wednesday. Now, we could see a bit of mist and fog around to start the day, particularly towards the north, perhaps some showers across central areas. This rain needs a little bit of watching because it won't take much for it to move further northwards into parts of Kent and East Sussex. It's still mild on Wednesday, but we're starting to see that colder air filter down into northern Scotland. Then the deep area of low pressure containing the hurricane remnants pulls away. We see those strong gusty winds, then a northerly wind. It will turn briefly milder just for a short time, and then we're back to northerly winds as we head through the weekend. As we head into the start of the following week though, we're back to Atlantic air, so it will be turning milder. But in the meantime, then you can see these temperatures drop away to well below the seasonal average as we head through Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Then it turns a little milder again, but it could be quite wet and windy, particularly for western spots as we head into the following week. Bye bye for now.